JoJo shot that?
Traveling.
Looking ass boy.
Hey man, look. That's all I got. Look, I'm trying to make a slap, my nigga.
I got you. Let's run.
Hey, this nigga Trap. Trap. Boy. I wrote this on the ERJ 175. Airplane mode, nigga. Right. Hey!
Hit trap when I wanna slap. Tackle you, baby, yeah, I want sapper. Had to get it out the mud without even trapping. Told you niggas, yeah, I'm coming harder than a rap. Bet you never thought a singer nigga do this shit. I'm Tyson Fury with the flow, out with the punches. Eating beats up, you can call it major munching. Freight train, no CH, baby, yeah, we run it. So come correct. Got them demons ready to snap your neck. Ain't no saving you from this issue, cause like a problem, I'ma solve it. Nigga, get your tissue. Stop crying, get in line. Freight train ready for whatever, call me blindside. I'm built up on my truck.